Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these beautiful stunning curls. I love these curls like crazy. Like, these are total princess vibes and I just love them. And I did these curls with a straightener. Can you believe it? Like, oh my god. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did these beautiful curls, then keep on watching. Alright, so these are my natural hair, and first I'm going to be detangling it with a comb. That is very necessary, because if you don't have detangled hair, then the heat won't spread evenly, and then like the whole setting will go away very quickly. So that's why. We say our goodbyes in light. Alright, so the straightener I'm going to be using for this video is this one right here. This is the Ikonic straightener. This is the Ikonic S3. And I really love this straightener. Like, this is literally the best stuff I've ever come across. And it has got like these temperature things, like temperatures, different temperatures. And it starts from 130 and goes up to 230. That is like really nice. I usually keep it at 190 because that's like the medium heat, and I don't want it to be less heat, or I don't want it to be like extreme heat that damages my hair quite fast. So that's why. And it has got like this is plus and this is minus. So, and this is like the start or stop button. So when you press this, the green light goes on, and it is already set on 190 because I usually keep it on 190. So I think it's like automatically set on 190 now. I don't know. And then it has got these, this is like plus and this is minus. So when you press on plus, the temperature increases, and when you press on minus, the temperature decreases. And it takes like 1 or like 1.5 minutes to like heat this machine. So I'm just gonna start it and then just keep it aside for a minute. Till then, I'm gonna be using a serum for my hair, and it is also like a heat protectant serum, but not exactly that, but it still does the job, you know. So I'm gonna be using this Matrix Biolage hair serum. This is a smooth proof avocado deep smoothing serum, and I really like it. It does keep my hair frizz free. It does smooth, like it does smoothen them, and it's just I really love it. So I take like 2 to 3 drops, not a lot, because it's an oil and I don't want my hair to like look oily. So yeah, I just take like 2 to 3 drops and then evenly spread in my hair. So you need to pick up the straightener now, and what I do is, before curling my hair, I just smooth, like just to smoothen my hair out, I straighten them very roughly, just a little bit. Especially like the roots, I straighten them just for that smoothness that I need to do curls, because my hair are really like wavy and just crazy. So yeah, like, can you see I'm just doing it very roughly, not knowing where I'm going, like just randomly doing it. Alright, so now my hair are ready to be curled, because now they are more smooth and like okay. What I'll do is, I'll just take two of my thumbs, put it right here, like the starting of my ear, and I'll just take the hair like straightly. Now I'll just clutch them up. I'll just divide the rest of my hair in like two pieces. Okay, so now I'm showing it for the left side and then for the right side, because it is quite different. I don't know why, but I know it's such a pain. But yeah, you just need to take a piece of hair, then smoothen it out from the roots like 2 to 3 times like this. And then for the left side, so this is how you hold the straightener, like a normal straightener. What you need to do is you need to hold it like this, like reverse. Basically just rotate your hand like this. Okay, and then you need to put the straightener right here and then make a curl upwards. Alright, then another half curl basically, and then put the straightener like this, like vertically, and then just pull very slowly and like hold the strand from the bottom, because then it will have like a more defined curl. Like, can you see? Like, this is so perfect. And if you don't need the defined one, you can just let go of the strand from the bottom. And if you need to like straighten this thing out a bit, just straighten out from the ends. Okay, this is what I do. Like in the end, when I'm done, I just do like this, so it makes like that spiral thingy that I really like. And then I smoothen it out a little bit from the starting. Yeah, see, this is perfect. And you just have to repeat it for all your hair just on your left. Okay, just remember that. I'm gonna show you one more time. Just smoothen it out like this 2 to 3 times. Rotate your hand, keep the straightener right here, curl it once and then half curl it second time, and then just keep the straightener vertically like this and then just pull. Like, this is the curl. I know my hair is short, so you won't be able to see it like very clearly, but yeah, this is the curl. And now just repeat.
Like fireflies, cause there's so many things left to explore. I don't wanna hold you back. Your heart is safe with my.
And now what I do for these baby hairs is I just straighten them. Like, there is no place to like curl them even a little bit, so I just don't take any risk or any chances to burn myself, and I just straighten them out. Yeah. So this is one side all complete. I know it's a little bit rough, but I'm gonna perfect it when I like do like at the end you'll see. Okay, now comes the right side. And for the right side, what you need to do is just take a strand. So now you don't need to do anything special to hold the straightener. Just hold it normally, smoothen it out 2 to 3 times, and no, you don't need to do anything special. Just like this, curl it, then hold the straightener vertically, and then just pull. See? Yeah, that is one strand all complete. Now for the second, it is the same. Just smoothen it out from the roots 2 to 3 times, then hold it normally, curl it, then half curl it once, and then keep it vertical, and now pull. And pull it a little bit slowly so that it defines the curl quite nicely. Yeah, this is the curl. Complete, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna put my hair down, and now just do the same process both the sides. For the left, um, just smoothen it out 2 to 3 times. Rotate your hand like this. Curl it once and then half one more time. And then hold it vertically, like the straightener, like straightly. And then just pull it slowly. And there you go. Same with all the strands for the left side. I know if you're doing this for the first time, it is gonna be quite tricky because you're not just in the habit to like rotate the hand and like hold the straightener vertically and all that. Like that is not your habit, I get it. And don't get demotivated if you don't get it perfectly for the first time. Just practice. I also had many bad experiences with it because it won't come out right, it will be frizzy, or the curls won't like match because this happened to me a lot, okay, that I'll just rotate once, like for the one strand, and then for the next strand I'll just forget to rotate and I'll just do it straight, so curls would basically come out different, and that would just ruin my hairstyle. And it took a lot of time for me to figure that. So yeah, practice will make you perfect. So just practice it and just do it. Don't be scared, okay? If you're not getting it right 5 times, try it for the 6th, you will get it right. I guarantee you. Like I really guarantee you for that.
Just keep living it up for love, living it up for love. Whatever is good for you. I'm good with it, I'm good with it.
Alright, so this is one side all complete. It just looks so good. Like I love it. I literally love it. Like I'm obsessed with this. So the next videos, it will be in this hairstyle, not in the straight, like the straight one. It's just so good. Can you see? I'm sorry, wait. Like there's no comparison for like this hair and these hair. And now just for the final thing, I'm just gonna take big chunks of hair, like big pieces of hair, and then just curl them once more, just for like that finishing. Alright, now it's really completed, and this is the final result. I really like it. Like I'm obsessed. And now with the right side, what you need to do is just do the same. Just take one little piece, smoothen it out 2 to 3 times, and don't rotate your hand, just let your hand where it is. Let your hand be where it is, and then just like hold it vertically and then just pull. so these are my hair all complete, and can you look at this? Like, it is giving me like total princess vibes, like those princess girls that we see in movies. Oh my god, I am so glad that I finally know how to do these and I have learned them, because I've been practicing them ever since I can remember. Like, I needed these girls to be in my life. I know it sounds very dramatic, but it is what it is. I love these girls. I just become so happy whenever I do them, because it just makes me look like princess vibes, total princess vibes, and I love it. I'm not saying that I'm as beautiful as a princess, but like I do look good. Like, I do consider myself looking beautiful with these girls. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on what you would wish to see from me next, and hit the subscribe button on below. I'll be really happy to come along with my YouTube journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So till then, take care, bye.